Hello viewers, in this virtual class, essentially we're going to look at these questions. You see, eliminate theta from the equations. X is equal to A sine theta, then Y is equal to B tan theta. Okay, here we need to get rid of theta from these equations. You see, there is not direct relationship between sine and tan, but some transformation can be done here by looking at tan theta and sine. Okay, we know that the inverse of sine is cosec, and the inverse of tan is cot. And from identity, there is a relationship between cosec. So if we have a cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, and we want to obtain cosec, that means definitely we are going to divide through by sine squared theta. Here we will have a sine divided through by sine square theta, or sine square theta, or sine square theta. Here cos over sine is the inverse of tan. Okay, so this will be cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. So here in this our equation, we see we need to transform this so b of this nation. So these two, we can connect this expression. Okay, now what we need to do here is that for us to obtain 1 over sine, we're definitely going to multiply both sides. Okay, let's divide both sides by sine theta. We'll divide this by sine theta. Here we have a x over sine theta. This will be off, so here we have a. And for us to obtain get rid of x, we multiply both sides by 1 over x. So here become times 1 over x, so that we have a 1 over sine theta is equal to a over x, and 1 over sine theta is cosec theta. So here we'll be able to obtain cosec from here, okay, from this transformation. Then similarly, if we are going to obtain cot here, which is 1 over tan, so we divide both sides by tan theta, this becomes 1 over tan theta is equal to b over y, and 1 over tan is cot. So here we have a cot theta is equal to what? B over y. Okay, and what we need to do here is we will substitute in place of cot theta. We put b over y in place of cosec theta. Here, the expression obtained here is cosec square theta. We will substitute the respective value, and then as how we would have eliminated theta from the expression, because the question says we should eliminate theta. So by so doing, in place of cot, we know that the expression for the ratio of cot is b over y all square plus 1 is equal to for cosec is a over x all square. Okay, and here we can also move this this way. This become a square over s square. If we move this to this other side, this becomes minus b square over y square is equals to 1. So we'll be able to eliminate theta from this equation here. Okay. So this is how to to manipulate a question of this nature. All you need to do is to look at the relationship between the given equations and see which of these trigonometric identities actually relate them together. Okay. Please all you let me subscribe to my channel by hitting this link below, and also hit the notification button so that when next similar video comes out, you are able to have access to them. Have a nice time. See you in my next virtual class.